Yo, what's up guys? So this is our third day. Of course, you know, all good things come in time, and yeah, so the progress we've done so far is just to basically put the swooshes in. Chase has actually had to stitch all the things, because I don't know if you guys saw in the other video, but I stitched it and it kept going. Well, I don't know, my foot got stuck or something and it kept going. But yeah, so Chase has gone in and has done a really good job with all the stitching. And what else are we going to do now, Chase? You're too tall, man.
I know, sorry. So we're going to redo the tongues that we had initially started last week.
Yeah.
So we're going to add a bit more foam to it,
yep.
Give it a bit more cushion and get that real off-white effect.
That's it, yeah.
And then we're also going to change the lining. So instead of the lamb, we're going to go for a kangaroo. Yeah, I just think it'd be a
Is there any major differences between lamb and kangaroo?
Kangaroo is a lot stronger than lamb. That's about it, really.
Okay.
But, you know, I will say it's, yeah, you know, Australian. So
oh, that's it. And as what Chase was saying before, is like, the tongues that we made before, it was okay, right?
Yeah.
It'll do the job, but the fact is it wasn't getting the effect that we wanted, so we just wanted to do them again so that we can actually, you know, do the job right, and that's what Chase is about, you know. So doing the job right and making it like as perfect as we can. So that's the Chase Shiel way, and that's all we're gonna be doing today, right?
Yeah.
So let's get to it. All right, guys. So next we're gonna be, you know, last time we only used one of these padding kind of sheets, but now we're gonna be two to make it more like thicker. Okay, next we're gonna be gluing these together like a sandwich.
So something to remember about the actual cement that you're putting onto the foam, you should always just apply it lightly because it really soaks in really quickly.
So next we're going to be putting the tongue material on the foam right there, and we're going to leave spaces around the whole thing so that, you know, if anything doesn't look right, because we're going to be stitching around here and this area here, and then yeah, if anything doesn't look right, at least we can just like cut it. So now we're gluing the other side, so we could put the black leather on the other side. So now Chase is drawing up the line that he can stitch in. Right there. So now we're going to be stitching this together with that one through the stitching over here. That's what Chase is trying to figure out now. And we're going to be using the black stitching. Hopefully it turns out and it blends it in well. But that's the initial stitching. It's puffy, that's how we like it.
Yeah. That's
how we want it. It was probably, yeah, half that when we initially did it.
Yeah, not even that, I think.
So what's up guys, so Chase has done a really good job with the stitching. So he stitched it there. As you can see, it looks extra puffy now. That's what it looks like from the back with the black stitching. Now we're gonna go and use the scissors. Alright, chop around the black bit here, around this black bit, around there. And then after that, we'll probably decide if we have to use a scalpel to kind of finish it off. So let's get started.
What I realized with cutting materials is that if you don't take it seriously, you can really tell. I mean, sometimes when I was just cutting just lazily, you can really see where it's like really zigzaggy and all that kind of stuff. So it's really important to every time that you cut, that you need to take it seriously. That's why even though that we cut it carefully, we still use a scalpel to give it that really razor sharp cut.
Yo, so we finished up with the tongues. So Chase did everything, of course, but he scalpeled all around here, getting this really clean cut. Looks really nice. So now this is eventually gonna go in here, and go in there, know. Starting to look really nice. Very off-whitey. And yeah. So also Chase has already done on the other pair. He's done the really cool stitching here. Very, subtle stitching there, so you can see right there. It looks really nice. Just got to clean it up a little bit. Yeah, it's starting to really come together. All the stitching's been done. Now we're going to be attaching the tongue onto the actual upper now. So we're going to be putting glue in this area here, and also on this here. Then we're going to leave it for a little bit, and then eventually, yeah, we're just going to stick it in. Chase is just cutting off the real loose bits of the stitching just to clean it up. Looks nice already, man. It's good. Alright guys, so as you can see here, we use double-sided glue. So we put glue, but we also use double-sided tape as well, just to get a better bond. So there's double-sided tape in there. I already did it. And put it, and now we're just going to try put it in. This is the machine that we're going to use for the tongue tags to get lasered engraved. So that's the design there. This is the machine here. So this is a little bit of a test that we're doing.
Then you got that black edge. And
so this is what the practice one looks like. Not bad. We can get rid of that shading there.
I love watching CNC or engraving machines. So this was a test run that we done first, and it turned out really well. And this is Chase using the sticky roller to get rid of any extra burnt bits. Now you might be asking, why is there masking tape on it? Well, it acts like a protective layer. This is really important, even though it causes a lot of problems later, because you have to actually get rid of all the really small tiny bits out. And it's good to put some sneaker protector on it. Shout out Sneaker Laundry.
Oh, look at that. So now we're cutting these out. You can see my name. Well, Chase's name first. Then KIXPLORE right there. So cool. Still smell the burn marks.
So this was actually a really surreal moment for me. This is the actual first time that I've ever put my name on a sneaker. And man, did it feel good. Look how pretty they are! And before sewing them in, we need to put the sewing holes in them first. And finally, for the finishing touch, we sew them onto the actual tongue. And oh my gosh, these are beautiful.
So Chase, after 3 weeks, or technically, around 3 days worth of work, we have finally finished this awesome custom. What do you got to say about it, man?
Oh, I'm extremely surprised with how well it came out. I wasn't too sure of your vision, but you pulled through. So
Definitely, man.
yeah.
I mean, like obviously, guys, through the video, you can actually see how much work I did compared to what Chase did, and Chase did basically most of the work. Because it is technically pretty hard. A lot of it is skills that you need to work on for a couple of years, you reckon, yes? But it's definitely doable, wouldn't you reckon? What did you say, Chase?
Yeah, it's just about practicing and just trying new things.
Yeah. Also, like I gotta say that one of my favorite parts is either the swoosh here, right there, and also the tongue tag, because it's got our names on it. It looks legit, or it looks really like kind of professionally done with everything, and I'm really happy, man. So thank you so much, Chase.
No worries at all.
All right, man. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Do you have anything else to say?
No, just I'd love to have you back, and maybe we'll do a full pair.
Whoa!
From scratch.
So if you guys want to see that, please give a like. But we would like to say thank you to everyone. I want to say thank you, Chase, once again for everything. Definitely, Chase has taken a lot of time out of his own day to help me out with this. So I'm really, really grateful. So thank you very much. And thanks to you guys for watching. Definitely subscribe to the channel. Check out Chase. Check out all his socials. Check out all the stuff that he's doing as well, because he's got amazing work. But yeah, definitely guys, thanks once again for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace.